pero... Hindi ka pa naman tinatawag eh.
Okay, let's take the same verb, study. Okay, what is the past perfect tense of the verb to study? Jeffrey. Study.
Had study.
Study. Okay, now, how do you think this conform to the second use? To express a completed portion of an action that is going on in the past.
Hindi.